Are you migrating from HubSpot to GHL? What used to be a week-long headache with messy CSVs is now just a few simple clicks. Swipe to discover the new Native Importer. The old way was a nightmare. It involved messy CSV exports, broken pipelines, lost custom fields, and endless hours of manual mapping to get your data across. Enter the Native Importer. The new HubSpot import tool in GHL is officially live in beta. It connects securely and directly via API, eliminating chaotic spreadsheets. It also automatically preserves your entire sales structure. What transfers seamlessly? Contacts, including all your leads, customers, and standard properties mapped directly without friction. Pipelines and deals translate into GHL opportunities, preserving pipeline values in stages. Custom data, including fields and folders, stays perfectly organized, ensuring your unique data architecture survives the move. Here's an architect's pro tip. Before importing, turn on Allow Duplicates for contacts and opportunities in GHL. Duplicate blocking can cause unnecessary error flags during the mass transfer. You can easily run a clean deduplication sweep after the data is safely moved. Experience total migration transparency with 100% clarity. The new importer gives you a comprehensive post-migration report. It shows exactly what succeeded, what failed, and provides the exact HubSpot record IDs so you can pinpoint and fix any errors instantly. Ready to make the switch? Don't let data lock-in keep you paying for expensive tools you no longer need. Check the comments for the official documentation link and let us know if you're planning a migration.